2025 has brought some big changes to Google Business Profile, GBP, making it more powerful, but also changing a few things you need to adapt to. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest updates you should know about if you use Google Business Profile for your business or local listing. One of the biggest shifts this year is the introduction of more advanced AI-powered tools inside GBP. Now, Google offers AI-driven suggestions for improving your business listing, from recommending better keywords and optimized descriptions to helping generate responses to customer messages and reviews. This makes it easier to keep your profile up to date and search-friendly, even if you don't have much time to manage it manually. Messaging and customer interaction have also gotten a major boost. In 2025, GBP offers improved live messaging features, automated replies for common questions, and better tools for managing chats from customers. For businesses like restaurants, shops, and service providers, this means you can respond faster to inquiries, or even set up automated answers when you're offline, which helps you capture leads and bookings more efficiently. Another notable update is enhanced business info and service/product listing options. You can now add richer details about your services or products, including photos, more detailed descriptions, and even options for booking or ordering directly for eligible businesses. This is especially helpful if you offer multiple services or want to showcase products without forcing customers to go through another website. For restaurants and bars, and possibly other businesses soon, there's a new feature called What's Happening. This lets you highlight timely specials, events, or promotions directly on your profile. For example, today's menu, live music tonight, or weekend promo. It's a great way to catch the attention of local customers who are searching right now. On the analytics side, Google has upgraded the insights you get from GBP. The new dashboard gives more detailed data showing how customers interact with your profile, when they view it, call you, ask for directions, or message you. Some reports even include predicted peak times or engagement patterns, which can help you plan staffing, promotions, or operational hours more smartly. That said, 2025 isn't all smooth sailing. Some users have experienced issues with posting updates. As of this year, there were widespread reports of posts, offers, or events submitted via GBP not showing up publicly. The updates, or from the business section, disappeared from many listings, even though the dashboard said the posts were published. This seems to be a bug or temporary issue, but it's something business owners should watch out for. Finally, compliance and authenticity are now more important than ever. Google is cracking down harder on fake reviews, misleading business information, and duplicate or virtual office listings. If your business profile isn't accurate, regularly updated, and genuine, you risk lower visibility, or worse, suspension. This update means you should keep your business info consistent, use real photos, and avoid misuse of addresses or fake reviews. Overall, 2025's updates make Google Business Profile a more powerful tool, but they also raise the bar for staying active, honest, and responsive. If you keep your profile well managed and adapt to these new features, you can really stand out in local search and connect better with customers. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more business and marketing tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Check your Google Business Profile today and take advantage of these 2025 improvements to boost your online presence.